Guys, so today I have this beautiful unit by Outre. This is one of the human hair wigs. It's 100% unprocessed human hair. This is from the Fab and Fly collection, and I reviewed a couple of units from this collection before, so it's nothing new to the channel. She is called Jude, and I have her in the color natural brown. Now, you know, most of these unprocessed hair, they just come in natural brown and natural black. Like I said, this one is a natural brown, so if you want, you can dye it, you can bleach it, you can customize it if you want to. And I'm really interested in actually bleaching this and seeing what it looks like. Let me know if you guys want to see that. I'm really interested in doing it because I've always wanted to bleach like one of these wigs, like by these companies, the companies that are, I should say, are specialized in synthetic wigs, you know what I'm saying? I wanted to try bleaching it. Have I ever tried bleaching any of these wigs? I don't remember, but I would really like to do that. But anyway, guys, that's besides the point. Like I said, I have her in the color natural brown, so if you want to bleach it, get that color. If you don't want to bleach it, you can just get a natural black, which is like a, you know, like a 1 or a 1B. But anyway, this is what the stock card looks like right here. Like I said, Jude, and I'm actually liking the fact that I don't have to do much to this unit, because you guys know how I am when it comes to these short wigs. I don't really know how to style it on my head, so I kind of like this one because you don't have to do too much. It's really like a boy cut, you know. So once you put it on, there's not much to trim down or anything like that. I just tucked it behind my ear, you know, pull this forward, pull that forward, and just comb out the front. Now if you want to, you could go ahead and shave the sideburns down a little bit. You could go ahead and shave the back down a little bit, or just add some wrapping mousse, wrap it so that it looks a lot flatter and stuff like that, so it could kind of look like you got a quick weave or it's your hair. I think it looks more natural that way once you add the mousse and you wrap it down, but I don't have the time for that now, so you know, I just put it on and brush it. But anyway, this is the little crown closure that it comes with up top right here. This is on your left side, okay? So it's kind of like a left side part or a left side swoop, you know, so the swoop is going towards your right side, if you get what I'm saying. And in terms of the cap, now you have the antibacterial, or should I say bacterial resistant cap on this one as well. Remember, I told you guys that it seems like they was coming out with more, like all the new units that Outre will be coming out with as of now, it would be the bacterial resistant cap, and it seems so, because I mean, although we haven't seen it yet on the lace frontal wigs and the lace front wigs, we're seeing it on the full wigs, we're seeing it on the half wigs, so maybe they might branch out into the lace front wigs. Who knows? Let's just wait and see. But so far, this is a converti why did I say converti cap? This is a bacterial resistant cap, so it's stretchable, it's big head friendly. You get one comb up front at the top, you get one at the back, and the adjustable straps. And guys, you can add heat to this hair because it is 100% human hair. You guys know that. You could wash it and everything like that, but this is pretty much it. Like, there's no issues here, there's no discomfort here. I'm really liking it. The texture is very natural, so that's pretty good. But let me know what you think about this down below. I will link it in the description box down there. So thank you guys so much for watching. Like, subscribe, follow us on all our social media accounts. Everything is at WigTypes, and I'll definitely see you guys soon. Bye.